Hello friends, welcome to my channel. So if you are not yet subscribed to my channel, please do subscribe and click on the bell icon. Okay, so today's agenda is like how to install the bot agent. Like yesterday we saw how to create our first bot. So to run that created bot, so we need to install the bot agent and run the bot. Okay, we'll see how to install the bot agent and how to run the bot. Okay, I'll just open the automation anywhere. So we need to log into the automation anywhere by entering the username and password. Then here we need to click on automation tab. So yesterday we created this task, test-RPA bot. Okay, click on it. In the last session we created this task. Okay, it is just a message box, simple task bot it is. So if you run this task bot, so it is just going to display the message box with the whatever the message content. Okay, it will display welcome to automation anywhere. So to run this, so here we have the option. Click on this bot running device. So the none of the device is connected here now. So device is empty. Okay, so the exclamatory symbol also you can see with the yellow color. So we need to click on this option, connect local device. So once you click on it, so connect to my computer, and we need to click on this option, and it is going to download the bot agent. Okay, you can see that way how it is. Okay, so now it is downloading. So download in progress. So let it download, and before that we'll just understand install bot agent, enable extension. So these steps, like after installing the bot agent, so this option will get green color, and then we need to enable the extension to the Chrome for any of the browser. Like it will come automation 360 extension. We need to add to the browser, and then connect your computer. Means the bot agent is going to connect to our control room. So this is the automation anywhere control room. For this it is going to connect. So then we can able to run our bot, and it is going to deploy in our bot, and then it will start running it, and it will show the result. So whatever we have mentioned. So as of now it will just show the welcome to automation anywhere message box. Okay. So download is in progress. So it is taking some time, so due to some network issue. So it is downloaded, I think now. We'll just check it. Okay, so it's downloaded. It is completed. So I'll just open the folder. Okay, here you can see that automation anywhere bot agent. Just double click on it. So once you double click, so it will start installing. We need to click on next button. Okay, the pre-installation step gets started. It's preparing to install. So here we need to select only for me. So because we are using community version of automation anywhere. Okay, so we need to select this only for me option. We need to select and click on install. It will take some time to install because The status bar you can see, so it will start moving once it is started. Okay, so it is based upon the internet speed. So it will install very quickly, but so it is taking some time. So for me, copying the new files. So it started now. Let's wait for a few minutes to complete it. Okay, so now it is registering the product. So in another 1 minute, it will complete the installation of bot agent. Okay, so now we need to click on finish button. So after that, so immediately this install bot agent button will be a green color. Okay, I'll just click on I installed it. You can see that install bot agent. Okay, so it came up with the right mark. And then we need to enable the extension. I enable it, I'll click. Okay, so just click on this. So automatically it will pop up here, and we need to click on enable extension, but it is not showing now. So I'll just click on this option, get the automation anywhere extension. So it will open automation 360 extension. So just we need to add that to our browser. Okay, you can see this. So it is removed. So I'll just enable now. Okay, the extension is added. You can see here this using this symbol. You click on this, so here it will show. Okay, automation 360. So once it is added, you can see that tick mark for this enable extension and connecting your computer. I'll click on done. So here you can see configuring, and then it is going to connect. The status you can see now the device is connected. So we are ready to run the bot. See here it is tick mark came here. The device also it is connected. Device name it is showing. Okay, I'll just click on run button. So it is deploying to our computer, and it is going to download some dependencies in the background, and it is start running the bot. So bot agent will get started. It will appear here in the right corner. Okay, you can see that bot running. Okay, it show the message box as well. Okay, this is how we need to uh, install the bot agent and run the bot. This is one time activity. One time we need to install the bot agent. The next time you just create a bot and run it. Okay, thank you for watching. So in the next session we'll